Another Monday means more Supreme news, so we back in the stew with another video. This week is looking decent and I want to go ahead and talk about it with y'all. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. I posted an unboxing yesterday which y'all can go and check out after this video, but for this week apparently we're gonna have Swarovski and Vans collabing. This duck down music collaboration is supposed to come out as well. Then we got some lookbook items, which honestly the accessories are looking pretty clean and I want to get into it, but leave a like on this video, subscribe, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. I'm probably gonna hop on the green screen for a portion of this video, but I'm gonna talk about my favorite items first, one of them being this Gumball machine. When this leaked, we thought it was gonna be something completely different, like the vintage machines, and it looked red with a bunch of colorful gumballs on the inside, but it's this all white with the red box logo on the side. Low-key, I wonder what this gum about to be tasting like. It looked like it's about to taste like paint, I'm not gonna lie. But for this piece, it all depends on the retail. If this shit is over $200 to $300, they're smoking tip, bro. Somebody do me the favor and look up the Beaver Gumball machine in Google. Let me know what that shit retails for. Then we'll talk about what this shit might retail for. But as an accessory, I think it's pretty clean. It's one of those pieces where Supreme steps out of the box like they typically do. They've dropped Oreos, toothpaste, you feel me? Now they're dropping gumballs. There's also the Kumba BOGO Tea air freshener. This is hard, bro. I just wonder what the f this gonna be smelling like, but at the end of the day, it's a clean piece. I know a lot of car enthusiasts are loving this shit, probably jizzing in their pants for this right here. Personally, I don't even hang these on my car. Like, I put them under my seat, you feel me, so I could get the aroma, but it's not looking like a little tree in my car. Like, some people have their shit like this, not me, bro. It's just not happening over here. But this shit is clean though. If it's like $12, $10, I would possibly add it to my cart, you feel me, have the room smelling real Kundalini and shit. But hey, let me know if y'all gonna be going for the little air freshener. I think it's solid. I wonder if it's a pack of 2 or you gotta buy these shit separate. That would be max. But next was the glow-in-the-dark keychain knife. Y'all already know the vibes, bro. I'm gonna have to go for the knife. I have a bunch of different ones that have came out through the times, and I'm gonna have to add this knife to the collection. The fact that it's glow-in-the-dark is everything for me. I do love the way that Supreme goes about doing their knives. Maybe that's just something that I like. Personally, I'd go for that glow-in-the-dark greenish color. I do think the red is hard too, but I already have a couple red ones, so I'd probably just get the glow-in-the-dark green. Let me know if y'all gonna be copping in the comments. The glow-in-the-dark knife is a banger, at least to me. Hopefully retail isn't too high. If it's anywhere under 50, I'd probably cop, not gonna lie to y'all. Another banger to me is this ribbed beanie. That shit's looking solid. Since we are in fall, that orange color's looking clean. I don't have any beanies in that color, so that's possibly a contender. And you can also never go wrong with the black. There's also that creamish color, but on this one it looks like a hint of yellow to it, which if I'm being honest is kind of throwing me off, bro. Just a little bit. I'd personally cop the black or the orange, keep it trucking otherwise. The last piece we're gonna talk about before we sit down is the Flannel Reversible Puffy jacket. This one comes in 3 different colors. You have like this tan, this blue, and then the black with the gray color. What I mainly like about this one is, like it says in the title of it, it is reversible. So that black with the gray turns into a black puffy, blue turns into a gray, and that orangish tan color turns into a brown coat. So if you're not feeling like a loud jacket that day, you could just flip that bitch inside out, have a whole different fit type shit. That's probably one of the reasons I'm fucking with this jacket right here. I don't know what retail is gonna be on it, but I think it's solid, you feel me, for what it is. We also do have the Supreme Swarovski Vans supposed to come out. We don't have any official images just yet, but they're saying that there's gonna be 2 models with the Swarovski crystals going around it. If y'all know, Swarovski does make the prices a little bit higher on these pieces, so don't be alarmed if you're paying $300 for some Vans. That's all I'm saying. And we got the Duck Down music collaboration coming out as well. There's supposed to be 4 different pieces in this collection. I don't know what the fuck these shit's gonna be looking like, but these are the names that Drops by Jay posted. This is what we're going by for now. Once we get images, I might add it to this video or make another one, who knows. But let's not waste much more time and sit down, talk about the rest of these pieces, then we'll get straight up out of here. We already spoke about some of these pieces, so I'm gonna brush through them real quick. First, we had the Beaver Gumball machine. Looks clean. It looks like some shit that you'll go to the laundromat, put a little quarter in, boom, get your little gumball. Honestly, I was expecting something with more color, more vibrant, considering that it is a gumball machine, but this is what we're getting. We got the air freshener, which we spoke about, is literally a BOGO tea on an air freshener type shit. I hope it smells good. Hopefully it ain't some bullshit. Boker glow-in-the-dark keychain knife. Honestly, my favorite item releasing this week. I'ma definitely have to go for that. I still don't know what color, hopefully that glow in the dark green, but we gonna see as time progresses. This beanie right here was looking solid. My favorite colors were the orange and the black. Now that I'm looking at it on the computer, that blue is clean too. We also had the small box hooded sweatshirt. This one comes in like 7 colors, and this gray color right there is looking fire, bro. It's almost like a sandy-ish type gray color. It's not just a bland gray. It has like a tannish hue to it, almost like an essentials vibe. Camo is a little louder for me, but it's not bad either. We also got the cargo sweats to match. These are basically the same shit as the hoodie, but on some sweats. And as y'all can see, that grayish color isn't looking that bad. I feel like the hoodie version of that is gonna be a banger. My only gripe with these sweats is the fact that they're probably gonna be baggy as shit, bro. So that's probably why I'd sleep on these. You have these flannel jackets, which you literally can flip inside out, and they'll look like this, which isn't bad at all, bro. I love the fact that it's 2 jackets in one damn near. Let me know if y'all fucking with this. These howdy, y'all. Head ass overalls. Let me know if y'all copping these, bro. Like literally lock your phone screen, turn off your TV, close the YouTube app if you're gonna buy these. Like, it's just looking sad, bro. If y'all gonna buy these, just give me one reason why in the comments, and if it's not, I'm gonna go on my tractor and cut the grass, exit the premise, bro. Like, it's over. Just stop. This Jacquard logo 6 panel is okay, I guess. The black one isn't that bad, actually. I don't know if I'm fucking with any of the other ones, but the black one isn't bad. It almost looks like a 3M vibe on it. That's kind of why I'm fucking with it, but besides that, nope. That green is decent, but nah. Got the Kanye leather trench, bro, with the big ass rubber boots. Y'all know the vibes with these. This shit crazy, bro. The Inspector Gadget. Everybody hates Chris. Homie be selling everything inside the jacket. We good on this shit right here, bro. It comes with a little leather belt, and it might even have a little Supreme pin included at your disposal. This shit's gonna be like $2,000, and even if it's $200, y'all know the fuckers from the runway that be wearing that condom, like silky suction cup hat, or I don't even know what the fuck it is, like latex. It look like they'll be wearing this shit right here, and they gonna throw the fit together with this shit right here, bro. It's over. Just go to sleep. They gonna think they killing shit while doing it. You feel me? It's one of these right here, the little horseshoe vibes, bro. Tell me not. Who the if y'all see somebody freaking that shit in public, what's gonna be the first thing that comes into your head? These shits is crazy, bro. Let's get out of there quick. This snap work shirt, 3 colors. Nah, bro, I'm low-key sweating from that last piece. It got me hot, bro. Shit got me hot, I'm not gonna lie. This Lotus shirt is I don't know what this shit means, so I'm gonna leave it right there. It's cool, I guess. There's this Dice sweater, which comes in 2 colors. Honestly, the black one isn't terrible, but who the fuck is buying a shirt with just Dice on it? Like, I don't know. Maybe you. We got the drip thermal, bro. Who is dripping in this shit right here? The black and white one low-key ain't that bad, bro. It looks like a zebra print, but it's not zebra print. Let me know if y'all feeling what I'm feeling. Y'all can see that Supreme branding ever so subtly on this one. They might be onto something. I'm not gonna lie. This is something different. It's almost like a camo-ish vibe, but it's not camo. I kind of like this shit, bro. I don't know why, but I just kind of do. This brushed twill jacket. This one's actually not terrible. It almost gives me like racer vibes, thrifty NASCAR vibes type shit. It has that Supreme branding along the closure of the jacket. It has pockets on the sides. Supreme New York, Paris, Milan, Tokyo on the back. Has a little pocket behind the collar. I think this one isn't terrible, actually. In that all black, I'm kind of fucking with this heavy, bro. I feel like I'd wear this often if I did pick it up. I feel like this should be higher on the list than this leather jacket. That's all I'm gonna say. The last piece on this list is the Quality or Qualite 6 panel. This is the Kanye inspired type hat. Y'all know the one that he had on that interview with the 2024 on top. This is that for Supreme, to be honest. I don't know about this hat in general, but the actual blank that they used for this is looking really good, bro. I'm looking to get some blanks for my hats, and this looks like a pretty solid blank, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If I could find wherever they got these shits from, I honestly would use it. But yeah, that was the last item on this drop list. It's low-key looking kind of short so far. Obviously, we don't have the duck down or the Van Swarovski shit just yet. It should be getting added soon, but that's what we have so far. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know what y'all would like to see on the channel coming up. And hey, comment what you're gonna be going for. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.